Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into Richtech Robotics Inc. And let's just say this filing might have some interesting moves happening behind the scenes. They're making a big play for a new facility and we're going to break down what that means for the company and its investors. We also have some recent news that paints a slightly more complex picture of the company's journey. Before we dive in, if you want to get these kinds of straightforward breakdowns of corporate filings, make sure you are subscribed. And if you want to connect with fellow analysts and get even more exclusive content, join our Discord community, linked in the description below. Alright, let's get straight to it. Richtech Robotics Inc. has made a significant announcement about a new deal. This filing tells us that on the 1st of April 2026, the company entered into a purchase and sale agreement for a property. Think of this as a major step in their expansion plans. What exactly are they buying? Well, it is a sizable building in Las Vegas, Nevada, spanning about 79,000 square feet. The company is planning to use this space as a central US hub for a variety of operations. This includes things like storing products, putting them together, light manufacturing, and importantly, for a robotics company, it is going to house their research and development efforts. They'll be working on testing new technologies and gathering data from their robots to make their AI systems even smarter. This really signals a commitment to building out their physical infrastructure to support their growth. Now let's talk about the money involved. The total price tag for this new property is a hefty $21,180,000. This amount already includes an initial earnest money payment of $600,000. The deal is expected to close by a certain date after a review period, provided all the conditions in the agreement are met. This agreement does have some standard clauses you'd expect in a deal like this. One key aspect is an inspection period, which is about 45 days from the deal's start date. During this time, Richtech Robotics has the option to back out of the agreement. If they decide to walk away for any reason within this period, they'll get their initial earnest money payment back. This gives them a crucial window to do their due diligence and ensure this property is the right fit before fully committing. Looking at the company's structure, they have Class B common stock trading under the ticker symbol RR on the Nasdaq stock market. This is the main way investors can access the company's shares. It is important to note they've identified themselves as an emerging growth company, which means they can take advantage of certain regulatory flexibilities. Now, let's bring in some outside context to understand where Richtech Robotics Inc. stands. Their market cap is around $429 million, and they have a relatively small team of 50 employees. We've seen some pretty volatile news surrounding the company recently. There was a headline about them planning a new operations hub in Las Vegas, which aligns with this filing. However, there were also reports about a class action lawsuit deadline, and articles discussing significant drops in their stock price. A particularly noteworthy piece of news was Microsoft denying a partnership with them. This paints a picture of a company that is making ambitious moves, but also facing scrutiny and market fluctuations. The filing also lists the exhibits being provided. The most significant one here is Exhibit 10.1, which is the actual purchase and sale agreement that details this property acquisition. There is also the cover page interactive data file, which is standard for these filings. And finally, the report is signed by Zhenhui Huang, who holds the positions of Chief Executive Officer and Director. This is standard practice for official filings. So, what is the big story here? On one hand, Richtech Robotics Inc. is making a bold move to expand its operational footprint with a substantial investment in a new facility. This shows a commitment to growth and developing their capabilities in areas like AI and robotics. It could be a positive sign for their long-term strategy. However, we can't ignore the backdrop of recent negative news, including stock price volatility and legal issues. The denial of a partnership with Microsoft is also a significant point to consider, potentially impacting their perceived market position and future collaborations. My take on this is that Richtech Robotics Inc. is in an aggressive expansion phase, but it's happening in a challenging market environment. The investment in the new property signals a belief in their future, but the company needs to navigate the reputational and financial headwinds that have been present. The success of this new facility will be crucial in demonstrating that their strategic vision can translate into tangible growth and a stabilization of their market performance. We'll be keeping a close eye on how they execute this expansion and whether it can help them overcome the recent difficulties. Alright, that is our breakdown of Richtech Robotics Inc. Its latest filing. What is your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Are they making a smart bet on expansion? Or are they trying to build a fortress while under siege? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps us out, and subscribe for more deep dives into corporate America. And hey, don't forget to check out our Discord community in the description for more exclusive content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.